Let's make some creamy, delicious Mexican flan or flan mexicano. First, you want to get your round cake pan and make sure the foil fits it nice and tightly. I found the easiest way to make the caramel sauce was to just leave the sugar alone and let it melt. And then once it's melted, you can lower the heat and give it a stir. This is pretty caramelized, but I loved the flavor that it gave. I'm using some evaporated milk and sweetened condensed milk. I love this Kitchen Mama automatic can opener. And then for the eggs, make sure you use room temperature eggs. I did 6 eggs and then both cans of milk, a pinch of salt, a little bit of vanilla. Blend it just until it's incorporated, or you can use a whisk, otherwise you'll get too many bubbles if you blend it for too long. Also make sure you strain it through a mesh strainer. Pour it back into the pan with the caramel sauce, place the foil on, and then put it into a larger roasting pan and add some warm water until it fills it up about halfway. I'm baking this at 325 degrees for 1 hour and 10 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. The hardest part is to let it cool and then let it set in the refrigerator for overnight or at least 8 hours. I use a butter knife just to kind of loosen up the edges, and then I'm going to put a bigger plate on top, flip it over, say a prayer, give it a little tap, but I promise you it's going to turn out perfect. It is so luscious and creamy. You can serve the flan with some whipped cream or some fresh berries. I did mine with some strawberries, and it has a nice smooth texture and lovely caramel finish.